So I guess what you mean to say is if somebody buys in this building, they're going to be in a strategically located building inside of a strategically located country.
Yes.
There you go. Double strategy there.
You got it.
Hello everyone. So I'm back in Panama City, Republic of Panama, and in this beautiful apartment that I will be exploring along with our real estate partner Heidi Rutledge. So she should be arriving anytime soon.
Hi Javier,
And,
I'm actually here.
oh my God, you're here and you're climbing. Oh my God.
So I was just getting a little rock climb while I waited for you. How
Okay,
are you?
hi. Welcome back to the channel. This is crazy. I'm gonna ask about this in a couple of minutes,
Come
definitely.
inside.
Oh, this is
Beautiful
absolutely
apartment.
gorgeous. I'm already taken by the views. So what can you tell us about this beautiful apartment?
Okay, we are in a building called Regalia.
Okay.
In Costa del Este, right on the front line. So we've got 475 square meters of space, including the terrace.
So that's give or take 5,000 square feet?
About 5,000 square feet.
Okay, great.
We've got 4 bedrooms plus another room that's right now being used as a baby room.
Okay, great.
We've got a den, family area.
And I see this wonderful terrace right here. Can we check this one out?
Yes,
Let's
come
go.
on out. So check out these great spaces. You've got
Incredible.
a huge area here that's actually child and pet safe.
Yeah, I see.
Because we built the glass up here high enough that you don't need to put a net, but you maintain your view.
You don't lose the view. That's absolutely wonderful.
Exactly, and then you can close this door, sliding door, and lock it if you want, so everybody stays nice and safe over here.
Perfect. No, but I love the views. So you have the corridor, the highway, the Panama skyline. I mean, this is just breathtaking.
In the background, you've got the mountains. This is a 2-kilometer, we call it the South Corridor. It's actually a highway, a connector. Connects Costa del Este to the city center. Right behind that, where you see all the mangrove, is actually a historic site.
Ah,
Dates
yes.
back over 500 years, 1519, where the first European settlers settled. And
Yeah, and they had their first base of operations here in Panama,
yeah,
right?
first place on the Pacific coast.
Quick reminder, if you're interested in gaining early access to our full Panama relocation course, you can find the link in the description below.
And then look at this, we've got a big jacuzzi, there's even an outdoor shower.
Incredible.
You've got a little dog area over there for lazy days when you don't feel like going down the elevator at 6 in the morning.
Very nice.
You just let the doggies out here.
Perfect.
You've got a little playground.
But now, I want to stop and ask you, so if somebody were to buy this property, what could they expect from their neighborhood, from their district?
Okay, Costa del Este, 30 years ago, did not exist.
Wow, so extremely new place.
Extremely new, very popular for multinationals. There's over 180 multinational companies here.
They've headquartered around this area, yeah.
Yeah, probably over 20,000 employees. So their families, raising kids here. And you know what, Javier, very important here as well. There is a waterfront walkway where you can go jogging, biking, walk your dog. There's mangrove in the backdrop. It's just beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to take you back to this hallway.
Ah, the magic
where we
hallway.
have the art that your children can conquer. They're actually puzzle pieces made of teak. So great for kids and adults. I mean, I like rock climbing. You've got another area in here that could be multi-use. Right now it's a play area for kids. You've got another playground here, This could be used as an office as well with an ocean view, sliding doors that has access out to the terrace. And then in here we've got, which was being used as an office and gym.
Very nice.
Very good size for a guest bedroom, which it can easily convert into because we have hooks here. It's actually a Murphy king-size bed you can pull down.
Wow, okay. Interesting. That's a very nice trick. There
and
you
it's
go.
got floor-to-ceiling windows as well.
So
it's a
home office / gym / guest bedroom.
yes.
Fantastic.
When it's being used as a guest bedroom, you have your ensuite bath as well. Which
Oh, really?
Is pretty spectacular.
Okay, that's nice.
This
Okay.
one is a full bath.
Yeah, no, it's fantastic. Very, very nice and very warm.
It is.
Yeah.
I want to take you over to really the other half of the apartment. So,
Okay.
I mean, look at this. You've got floor to ceiling, custom-made cabinetry.
Very nice.
It's a natural, earthy tone.
exactly.
You've got such a good space in here. You've got the island in the center. You've got the natural light, the views from here. This is a pantry. You've got a great service quarters as well, which is connected to the kitchen through here.
So how many housekeepers can live on site in the apartment?
Typically 1 or 2.
1 or 2? Well, that's fantastic. Well, that's great.
So in here, it's sort of entering the bedroom area. This can be a playroom, TV room.
Yeah,
you know,
I like it. It's
den
almost like,
area.
like a cozy common room area for the kids.
Yeah, we've got 3 bedrooms, each with ensuite bathroom here. So you got bedroom,
Okay.
master. So let me take you in here. Check out this floor-to-ceiling furniture that was custom built.
Wow. You got the wood again, very homey, very warm.
Yeah, all oak.
Okay.
You can see it's the same colors, same tones throughout the apartment.
Beautiful, and you do have views of the city here, so
Yeah,
very
you got
nice.
ocean views, city views. That's what I mentioned about being strategically located.
Very, very nice.
So let's head over to the next bedroom. It as well has its ensuite bath.
I must say, I do love the outer space theme in this one. Because
Yeah.
I went through this phase when I was a kid, so the flying saucers, planets, rocket ships, definitely like it.
Now let me show you the master bedroom. You
Beautiful.
have the same views that you have from the living area. So
Incredible.
look at these ocean views.
Yeah, the ocean views are unbeatable. I absolutely love the ocean, and I love that it has more of a modern take.
The bathroom, ensuite bathroom is great as well. Look at the
Beautiful.
the lights, you know, the height of the ceiling.
Marble,
You've
yeah, I love
got,
it.
This was all custom done here with the glass, the rain shower.
The rain shower is beautiful, and especially,
see how it's so high, yeah.
high ceilings are definitely a sign of luxury, a sign of comfort.
Yeah.
I love it. Absolutely
Let me
love
show
it.
you the area over here actually
Okay.
that they have right now being used as a baby room.
Kind of like a nursery.
But you know, babies always grow up, so it's a great walk-in closet being adjacent to the master bedroom, or it can be an office. We've
Right,
got the ocean
like a
views from
secondary
here as
home
well.
office if mom and dad both work from home. You know, you have one home office here, one home office over there.
Yeah.
I like it, and I love the views again.
And if you want to just eliminate it completely, you enlarge your living room, take the wall down, and it becomes part of your living room. Right now,
see.
it does have an access into
I
the
see.
living room, so we can.
So this is where we came in.
Slide. No, we came around the other way. So this is a different way to go back into the living area.
Now, Heidi, you did mention some very cool amenities. Can you walk us through those a bit? What kind of amenities come with a property like this?
This building has some of the best amenities out of all the buildings I know in Panama City. They have an indoor children's park, which when you see it, you're going to wish you were 5 or 10. I mean, I could play at this age. It's
Fantastic.
It's amazing. There's
Well, you know,
a
the inner
large-
child is important to keep it alive, right? So
Yeah.
I love it, okay?
There's a large swimming pool, and apart from that, there's a children's pool with a slide.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yes,
Water
there's-
park at home?
Exactly. There's a very large, fully equipped gym.
Okay.
I mean, the amenities are endless.
Okay, Heidi, so to summarize, we have an outstanding building with outstanding amenities in an outstanding jurisdiction with outstanding views and pretty decent size here. So what can we expect to pay for a property like this in Panama City, Republic of
And
Panama?
I always like you to try guess
Oh my God, but I'm a terrible
what
guesser.
it's selling for.
Okay, I'm gonna try. So my baseline is always Florida, Southern California, and then I try to discount it massively because obviously Panama is far more affordable. So, you know, if I think of Miami level pricing, West Palm Beach level pricing, and I try to take it down, I wanna say maybe something in the neighborhood of around 3 to 3.5 million, maybe 2 point something.
You're a
if
little
it's
off.
really, I'm
You're
a little off.
You're a lot off.
A lot off? My God, did I overshoot?
You overshot.
Oh my God,
Just
okay.
under 1.8. I have this listed.
Under $1.8 million.
475 square meters, 5,000 square feet.
Wow.
1.75.
That is incredible. Like having this equivalent of the size, the views, everything in a place like Miami or Malibu, California, or the French Riviera would be insanely expensive.
Yeah.
I mean, for this level of luxury, that is actually very affordable.
And you know what? Another very large advantage of this building in particular is a very low monthly maintenance fee.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. So I mean, this apartment pays $600 a month. That includes your gas, your water, you know, all of the amenities, your security.
Of course.
It's very low for what the building offers.
No, and then if on top of that you start stacking all the other benefits, like you buy this property, you can immediately become a permanent resident of Panama through the qualified investor visa. You move down here, and if you're Canadian, British, Australian, you can essentially reduce your taxes to basically zero with the right planning. If you're American, maybe you're not getting to zero, but you're reducing it massively. So you get luxury living, great tax breaks, and a great quality of life. And it's something the entire family can enjoy. You know, the pets, the kids, the wife, mom, dad, the in-laws. So the end result is, you know, come to Panama. What are you waiting for? Come to Panama. So if you're wondering back home if Panama is the right move for you, RothbardGroup.com. We've got the real estate experts, the tax experts, the immigration experts. Look no further. This is a one-stop shop for your relocation to Panama to be handled the right way. So Heidi, thank you so much for being with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. And guys, see you next time. if you're interested in gaining early access to our full Panama relocation course, you can find the link in the description below.